Want to make sure your Telegram desktop app stays safe, fast, and full of the latest features. In today's quick guide, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to update the Telegram app on your PC, whether you're using Windows or macOS. By the end, you'll know 2 easy methods to keep Telegram running smoothly with all the newest tools and security updates. No more glitches, no more missing features, just a simple, up-to-date messaging experience. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open up your Telegram desktop app. If you have it pinned to your taskbar or on your desktop, just double-click the icon. It's the blue paper plane. Opening Telegram first is important because the app has a built-in way to check for updates, which is honestly the easiest method for most people. Once Telegram is open, look towards the bottom left corner for a little gear-shaped icon. That's the Settings menu. Give that a click. Now inside Settings, you'll see an option labeled Advanced. If you don't spot it right away, slow down and scroll a bit. Sometimes these menus can look a bit crowded, especially if you haven't poked around in settings before. Click Advanced to open up some more technical options. Now among these advanced choices, you should see something that says Check for Updates. Go ahead and click it. When you do this, Telegram will check if there's a newer version available. If it finds one, you'll see prompts showing you exactly what to do next. Usually, it's as simple as clicking an Update button and waiting a moment while Telegram downloads and applies the update. Don't worry if it takes a minute or two, especially if your internet's a little slow or if the update is a big one. When it's done, Telegram will usually ask you to restart the app to finish installing the new version. Just follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be all set. This method is kind of like updating your phone apps. The whole process happens inside Telegram, nice and tidy. Now, occasionally, you might find that the built-in update check isn't working for some reason. Maybe you're seeing an error, or maybe the Check for Updates button just doesn't show up. In that case, you've got a solid plan B. All you need to do is open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, whichever you like, and head to Desktop Telegram.org. This is the official Telegram download page, so you don't have to worry about getting anything sketchy. On the website, you'll see download options for different operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and even Linux. Click the version that matches your computer. Don't worry if you're not quite sure. Most Windows and Mac users will spot their download right away. The website will download the latest installer package directly to your computer. Once it's finished, just open that installer just as you would when first installing Telegram. The cool thing here is, the installer is smart enough to recognize you already have Telegram, so it'll upgrade your app to the newest version without deleting your messages, contacts, or any of your settings. If your operating system asks if you're sure you want to make changes, just confirm. Think of this process like getting a new coat of paint on your existing Telegram house. Everything inside stays safe, but the outside gets fresh and shiny. And that's it. With either of these methods, you're making sure your Telegram experience is safe, stable, and packed with the latest features. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Got questions or did you hit a snag? Drop a comment below. I always try to reply and help out. And for more practical tech tips just like this, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.